it is plus 9. So it's not the middle term b. So I go for the next pair of factors, which I choose it, that is plus 5 and then plus 2. I'm getting 7. So I put minus 5 plus 2. I get it minus 3, which is my middle term here. Minus 3x, where minus 3 is the b here. I got it. So what am I going to do? My factors, I chose the factors such that with the symbol minus 5 and 2. So I can write x minus 5 and x plus 2 are the factors for this equation. So I found the solution, that is the factors x minus 5 into x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now I equated x minus 5 equal to 0, that is x is equal to 5 is my one solution, and then x plus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 2 is my another solution. So I got two solution for this quadratic equation. So that's how I find the solution. Children, actually this is for MCQ. That is, you directly write minus 5 and plus 2 as a factor, that is x minus 5 and x plus 2. So this is directly I told you, but 2-mark question, it is all about the step marks. So you have to write the steps. So how do I write it? I told you it is splitting the middle term. So how do I split the middle term here? So now I got minus 5. I am going to split this term, that is x squared minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 equal to 0. Now you can see I splitted minus 5 plus 2 as minus 3x. That minus 3x is splitted like minus 5 plus 2. Now you have studied under the factorization chapter, that is when there are 4 terms, to find the factors for the equation which is having the 4 terms, you have to group the terms. So I group the term like this, such that common factor will be taken out. Plus 2 is taken outside, that is x minus 5 is equal to 0. Now the factor x minus 5 is taken outside, so x plus 2 is equal to 0. Equate each one, so you get the solution such a way that your solutions are x minus 5 is equal to 0, x is equal to 5. So it is one solution, and x plus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 2. This is another solution. So I found the 2 solutions for this quadratic equation, which is x squared minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. So hope you understood. I told you there are few steps. The one step is you will understand whether it is a quadratic equation. Second step, go and check whether the coefficient of x squared is 1, and the third, concentrate on your constant term. Go and find the factors. Pick up the one pair of factors such that the addition must be the middle term and the product must be the constant term, and then write those factors in a splitted form like x minus 5x plus 2x minus 10x. Then take the common factor out, group the terms, take the common and equate each linear factor to 0, so you get your solution. That is the value for x, you get it. So x plus 2 is equal to 0. So you get 2 solutions. You can understand from these 2 solutions, 5 and minus 2 are the integers. That is, one is positive integer, the other one is negative integers, though they are real numbers. Hope you know what is real number. Real numbers are nothing but the natural number, whole number, integers and all rational numbers. These are the real numbers. So we get the real numbers as the solution for this equation. Now you told, okay, the coefficient of x square is 1. If suppose the coefficient of x square is other than 1, what can be done, ma'am? How do we find the solution? So I give the equation for that type of quadratic equation also. So the equation takes the form like this, that is 2x squared plus x minus 6. 2x squared plus x minus 6 equal to 0. This is my quadratic equation. What I told you concentrate. This is of the quadratic form. Next, concentrate on the x square term. I understood this is other than 1. Go and multiply with this constant. The coefficient of x square, you will multiply with the constant term 6. So your product is 12. Now the rest all the procedures are the same. So you will have the same procedure starting from 12. 1 12s are, 2 6 are, 3 4s are, 4 3s are, 6 2s are, and then 12 1s are. You have to pick up one factor such that 3 and 4. So I should get plus 1 and minus 6. So plus 4 minus 3, I get it plus 1, and then plus 4 into minus 3, I have it minus 12. You should get 12, not 6. You should get 12. So I write 2x square plus 4x minus 3x minus 6 is equal to 0. Ma'am, why have you written 4x instead of 3x? Children, you must have to write the numbers with the relation. That is, 4 is the multiple of 2 and 6 is the multiple of 3. So I group it in such a way that they go in with the group. So always it's a group of students or fleet of sheep. So it's always in a group. So it is easier to get our factors, common factors out. So I group the term, 2x is common here. So I'm left with x plus 2, and I told you should have your x plus 2. That means I have to take minus 3. So minus 3 into x is minus 3x, minus 3 into 2 is minus 6. That is equal to 0. So I'm left with x plus 2 into 2x minus 3 equal to 0. So I got the factors like this. Now I'm going to find the solution. So the solutions are going to be, that is, x plus 2 is equal to 0, which is x is equal to minus 2, 2x minus 3 equal to 0, that is 2x is equal to 3, x is equal to 3 by 2. So these are my solutions for this quadratic equation. Hope you understand how to find the solution using the splitting the middle term method. This is the one type of method of solution that we are finding here. Next, we move on to the quadratic formula method. So how to find the solution for the quadratic formula method.